this is Rucha Kare and welcome back to another episode of Mindcheck Mondays. First of all, thank you all for a lovely response on our Google form, and some of the questions did pose an urgency for guidance. Hence, keeping aside our scripted timeline, we have come up with this special episode in order to address all of them. Beginning with the first question that we got. How can someone escape from the trap of validation? Now, speaking about validation, we need to understand one thing, that is, seeking validation is something that is very normal for a human being to have, because we all have an innate need to belong. So, we want to be seen, we want to be heard by other people. Hence, it is quite normal to have that feeling. Secondly, we need to be able to understand where that feeling is coming from. Is it aligning with my value? Whatever that I am doing, is it aligning with my value, or am I doing it to please other people? That particular question gets you an understanding about the concern area that you have in your life. Once you are self-aware of the concern area that you have, it is much easier for us to get a solution to that concern that we have. Thirdly, tolerating discomfort. When we have a need to seek validation, anybody not giving us validation automatically puts us in a state of discomfort. And that discomfort does not necessarily mean that it is wrong. At times, sitting with that discomfort builds resilience. It makes us feel that, okay, it's normal for people to not agree with us or to not praise us. What do I feel about myself? What do I feel about the thing that I have done? Reflecting, shifting that goal from others to myself can also help. Practicing compassion. We may get into this habit of self-judgment when we know that we are seeking comfort or we are seeking validation from someone else. And automatically we may feel that I'm doing it, I'm faking it rather. Hence, it is very important to look at ourselves in a friend's point of view. We need to be able to be kind. We need to be able to see ourselves in a very compassionate light and say that it's okay. We are also people, we are human beings who are learning and who are growing. Hence, treating ourselves with much more kindness is also very important. If anyone else is feeling this way, wherein you are troubled by this constant need to seek validation and you want to dive deep into this feeling, you can always reach out to us over the Google form as well, or you can DM us, you can put it in the comment section and we can get back to you regarding it. One of you have also mentioned about experiencing physiological symptoms of anxiety. Now, understand this, that all of the episodes, all of the content that we are giving is only from one end. If you have any other thing that you're experiencing at a stretch, out of any limit, do seek help. It's completely okay. You can reach out to us personally as well, or you can reach out to anyone, any of your friend who knows any therapist or a psychiatrist if there is a need. But do not sit with those physiological symptoms in thinking that you are alone in this battle, because you are not. We are all here to help you all. And one of the ways in which physiological symptoms may come out of anxiety is breathlessness. It can also be palpitation, it can also be restlessness, feeling of nausea. All of these may turn out to be symptoms of anxiety in itself. Hence, it is very important to seek help during those times. Thank you all for watching today's episode. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you have any question or feedback, you can always put it in the comment section below. And if you do not wish to reveal your identity, you can always put your questions in the Google form link that we have put in the description. And If you need any kind of personal consultation, you can mention your email ID in the form below, and we will get back to you regarding it. So till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.